You got some real natural hair goals. You went to the beauty salon. She layered you to the gods and then just put some rollers in it and bam, you got Imani. Whoo, Nelly, listen, 100 degrees today. Y'all gonna hear this fan all I want. All I want. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Meekah Lynne. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Big thank you to Outre for sending out this beauty, baby. Before we get into this, definitely make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring the bell, drop me a comment down below, and share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. This new unit is by Outre, part of their Perfect Hairline collection in this style Imani. I do have her in the color number 2. This is a 5x5 frontal synthetic unit, typical cap construction with an elastic band sewn in the cap. Okay, first impression on this unit. She is a little bit more on the silky side than I expected, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, Outre. We still gonna make it do what it do. This does not come with a preset part. It's not styled in any type of fashion. I really don't know what style I'm going to go for. Looking at the stock card, you do have a couple of options. I'm thinking a middle part, but you know me, I might switch it up on y'all.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right. So right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. So right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight,
Wait, hold up, wait a minute. Did Outre come through for the big heads? Listen. To me, it seems like this is definitely more big head friendly, giving you more coverage on the sides. So if you're dealing with alopecia, hair loss, and you don't have anything over there, they definitely have you covered. Now you will notice with this install that the lace is actually really see-through, and I actually have not concealers adhered to the bottom lace of this unit just to give a more scalp-like appearance, and it worked pretty well. However, I did have them too far up to the front, so you can definitely see them. This is a 5x5 parting space unit, so you do have a number of options available. However, if you style it one way and you do another style on the go, the curls will pretty much kind of flip-flop all over the place, if you know what I'm saying. So it's definitely going to give you a carefree look. It is sitting really pretty on my head. It's laying flat. No issues with any humps at the top. She's not doing the Humpty dance, y'all. And I don't have to even tug on the hairline. It's staying in place. And I am using the adjustable band that is sewn into the cap. And this texture alone really took me for a surprise, baby. Because I thought it was a little bit more on the silky side. This is more of like a sacky texture, if you will. Light silky, a little bit of yacky, you get sacky. More of an everyday density, so she's not too thick. No tracks will show in the back, and she has a nice everyday length. I do not use any direct heat when it does not have a preset part. As you saw in the footage, I go in with a silk cloth or a wrap or a do-rag, whatever I can put on top of the crown, and then I use my blow dryer set to cool or medium setting. Never put it on heat, baby, because she will be sizzling. And we definitely don't want that. We don't want to melt our wigs or change the texture. The texture on here matches the style, comes together really good. It's not going to give you a blowout look. However, it's going to give you more of like a roller set kind of silk press type of vibe. You know, you got some real natural hair goals. You went to the beauty salon. She layered you to the gods and then just put some rollers in it, and bam, you got Imani. Straight out of the pack, this unit definitely is big hit friendly in my opinion. Now, for whatever reason, there are a little bit of filler hairs right at the crown of the unit. I just sprayed it down and it pretty much locked right into place. If we did want to switch it up, could just take it, flip her to the side, baby. If I wanted to do like a nice little sexy flip over with no parting, put her in the front, kind of get that sexy look going. And the fact that we are glueless, baby, in this heat, because I am melting. She is definitely a winner chicken dinner. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit, direct link to the Google search will be in the description box down below. Big thank you to Outre for sending this unit out. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.